I should get going. It's getting late.
Already, but we just got here an hour ago.
I know, but I have an early meeting tomorrow morning.
Ah, the never-ending work life.
Tell me about it. I've got to prep a presentation too.
Can't you just wing it like you usually do?
Not this time. The client is kind of a big deal.
Fair enough. Do you want me to walk you to your car?
That would be nice, thanks.
No problem. At least let me finish this coffee real quick.
Take your time. I'll grab my bag.
So, are we still on for Saturday night?
Of course. I wouldn't miss game night for anything.
Good. You better bring snacks this time.
I brought snacks last time. You ate them all.
Because they were good.
Then I'll bring double this time.
Perfect. Okay, I'm ready.
Thanks for the company tonight. I really needed this.
Same here. Talking to you always helps clear my head.
We should do this more often.
Agreed. Life's too short to only hang out once a month.
True. All right, I really have to go now.
Drive safe, okay?
Will do. Text me when you get home?
You got it, and don't stress too much about tomorrow.
I'll try not to. Thanks for everything.
Anytime. Good night.
Just by chance, I ran into Sarah at the bookstore yesterday.
Wait, seriously? After all these years?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. She looked exactly the same.
That's wild. What did you guys talk about?
At first, it was just small talk, you know, work, family, life.
Did she mention why she was in town?
Apparently she moved back 3 months ago.
No way, and none of us knew?
I know, right? She said she's been laying low.
Sounds like her, always a bit mysterious.
She asked about you, actually.
Really? What did you say?
I told her you're still the same, late to everything but fun to be around.
Hey, that's not entirely wrong.
She laughed, though. Said she misses the old days.
Me too. Those late-night coffee runs and movie marathons.
We should totally plan a get-together.
I'm in. Do you think she'd be up for it?
She seemed open to it. I got her number.
Perfect. Let's not wait too long this time.
Agreed. Life's too unpredictable.
So true. 1 minute you're buying a book, the next you're catching up with an old friend.
Exactly. All thanks to a random visit to a bookstore.
Just by chance, huh?
Yep. Sometimes the universe really knows what it's doing.
Do you believe in that kind of thing?
Lately, more and more.
Then let's go with it. Let's make that reunion happen.
I'll text her now and suggest next weekend.
I'll clear my schedule. This is happening.
I'm actually excited.
Same here. Who knew a random moment would lead to this?
Are we on the same page about where this relationship is going?
I hope so, but it sounds like you're having doubts?
Not doubts exactly, just questions.
Okay. I'm listening. Let's talk it out.
We've been dating for almost a year now, and I want to know if we're heading in the same direction.
I get that. I've actually been thinking about it too.
Really?
Yeah. I care about you a lot, Lena, and I'm serious about us.
I care about you too, but sometimes it feels like we're just coasting.
That's fair. I guess we've fallen into a routine lately.
I'm not asking for constant excitement. I just want to feel like we're building something.
You mean like talking about moving in together? Or future plans?
Maybe. Or even just having honest conversations like this more often.
You're right. I haven't been the best at opening up lately.
I'm not blaming you. I just want us to grow, not stay stuck.
I want that too. I really do.
So, are we on the same page now?
I believe we are. I want to keep growing with you.
Then maybe we can start being more intentional about our time together.
Like planning date nights again?
Yes, and actually talking about what we want long term.
Okay, deal. I'll go first. I want to see where this can go, for real.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
I should have said it sooner.
It's okay, you're saying it now.
So, date night this weekend?
I'm in. Let's try something new this time.
Rock climbing?
Oh wow, you're serious?
Dead serious. Let's climb walls and emotional barriers.
Cheesy, but I like it.
Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.